At Career Buddy Online, we come across professionals from various categories at various experience levels, day in, day out. When we look at certain people, we see that they are going through some kind of a crisis. We see that they are facing some kind of an uncertain future. And when we diagnosed further, we realized that most of them belonging to this category of probably 35 to 45 in this area, they are facing some kind of a mid-career crisis. There are various reasons why it might be happening. At Career Buddy Online, we wanted to deep dive, we wanted to find the right solutions so that maximum people can get benefited, they can come out of this crisis, and they can have a wonderful, successful career ahead. In that respect, we are reaching out experts from the industry who have seen life, who have seen the professional life and excelled. They have probably navigated these crises when it hit them bravely and very effectively. Today we have with us the Infinite Kailash Ji. He is an expert, veteran professionals from the industry with over 43 years of experience, having experience from private sector to the public sector to the government to some extent, and he has reached zenith of the success in the corporate profile, helped understand how to deal with this professional crisis very effectively. I would like to welcome him. I have a lot of questions which are coming to my mind, which I would like to ask him today. There are some questions I have chosen. I will ask him. I would like to invite Kailash Ji. Welcome to you.
Thank you, Rajaram Ji. It's my pleasure to be with you today with the Career Buddy programs.
Thank you.
And of course, I would like to answer your questions.
Perfect, sir. In fact, it's a pleasure to meet you. Let me fire this important question to you, which is always there my mind. Why do you think that everyone could face this mid-career crisis, and if actions are not taken, they'll be doomed? This is the kind of fear that everybody knows. But you know how to handle and all is the issue. But why do you think it will hit, and why do you think they'll be doomed if they don't take actions?
This is a great question, Mr. Rajaram, because you know, when we start our life in the beginning, okay, when we are coming from a classroom after doing our MBA, joining some organization, corporate, then we have sky is the limit, okay, that is in our mind. So then we say dream. What is our dream? And then we put our goals ahead of us. Okay, in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, I am reaching there and there. So that is a very enjoyable, because we total corporate culture we are coming, and we are earlier we were student, now in the corporate culture, and that makes us 15 years it go like in like no time. Okay, because in this time we are learning, we are curious to learn and performing. So in this process what happens, the senior people, they also start relying on us, okay, and they start interacting with us, they start considering our suggestions and opinions, and the juniors also start and meeting us for the suggestions or for the guidance. So the people here becomes a backbone of the organization. It's a very important, and they feel so glad to be there. Okay, responsibility is increasing and their team size is also increasing. So now situation comes, what is next? So because we have planned earlier our life, and in this process we have not bothered about ourselves, because we are performing and performing and performing. So now question comes, what is next? Should I continue in this organization or should I change? That question comes. Then, okay, if I'm putting that much of time and that much of zeal I have, then I can start my own venture. So these questions start coming, and at the same time, you are also your this domestic, your family, that responsibility is also increasing. Okay, so you need a social status, everything, and that point, because you are traveling and traveling and meeting, and you are giving a less time to your family. At this stage, you start thinking what is next. Sometimes you don't find a right answer. Okay, so that question keep you bothering you, and then you become indecisive. You can't take a decision. Your future, you feel, see that as a cloudy future. You see, it's not clear what to do, what not to do. So you are taking some suggestions from some friends. Some people say something, some people say something. Then you say, okay, he has done like that, he has done like that, and you share others' experience. That make you further confused, and now you're unable to take a decision, and your interest in the current job you're losing here. Okay, when you're losing your current interest in the current job, then seniors are watching you, juniors are also watching you, you're not performing, you are not in your job. Okay, so your focus is changing now. At this stage, what happened, then you feel start that you are getting frustrated. Okay, when you are getting frustrated, then again your behavior is changing, your tone is changing, you say you stop appreciating others. Likewise, so what happens, then you are in that is a crisis, you will say that is a crisis, in fact. And I can term it as a mid-career crisis now. Now this is the point where you need a right kind of right to me. You need to understand yourself, what is wrong with me, because you are not knowing what is problem you are facing, and you are just moving the way things are just moving you. And that stage, now that is a very, very important point here. If you take a right action, you take a right guidance or right coaching, then you can sail through this phase and you can skyrocket your life. But if you fail, and if you are unable to take any decision about yourself, then you become a person, either you quit the job, or you will be demoted, demotion will be there, or you will be relocated to some other place where you are not liking. So these things, when you have never desired in life, these kind of questions never came in your earlier life, they are bothering now, and it is enhancing your frustration. So your behavior, not only in the organization but also at home, is also different. Sometimes people even spoil their relationships also. Divorce comes, anxiety comes, depression comes,
Okay.
and people quit the job.
So that's when
So that is the point where you need to jump on. You need to see what is my next. You have to plan next. You have to be firm on your decisions. That's the point. I think,
if you don't do that, then you're doomed.
yes, then you're doomed.
Then you're doomed. Okay. So that's a great insight into why a crisis is occurring and what would happen in case you don't take action. The next thing that I would like to ask you is, like, now we have this COVID pandemic. What are the symptoms normally are seen with such people who are with acute crisis situation? I know that there would be people who are sort of okay, they can manage, but I think we are really concerned about those people who are hit with acute crisis. So what are the symptoms which probably people can start understanding, okay, this is probably the reason why I am having this. Though as a patient, but they have to definitely go to somebody to understand it better. But at least, they have to diagnose this, at least at an individual level. What do you think?
This is a very interesting question. You see, every problem, whatever it is, a health problem or whatever the problem you have, it has its symptoms. First, it is not comes fully to you. It gives you some symptoms. When say you talked about the COVID. So you get either you get a fever or some kind of a cold or something, throat problem, infection, or say breathing problem. Similarly, when you are also facing this mid-career crisis, then some symptoms start. Your behavior is changing. You feel that you feel shaky. You are unable to take strong, firm decisions. Okay, you are unable to decide what is right, what is wrong for me. What is my next goal? Should I leave? Should I be in this job or should I leave this job? Okay, should I start my own job, entrepreneurship, or should I continue with the same company? Whether if I miss this company, then from where I'll get the money? Or some people they feel okay, it's okay, and because that hunger is over now. Okay, hunger, no hunger. So life with a space, slow pace, they like it. They become complacent. Okay, they are no more curiosity in that. No, that chamak is not there. Okay, now they are not looking forward, upward. They are looking only straight now. Okay, it's fine. It is going. And if they say people start ignoring them. They are not listening. They are not in a commanding position now. And even seniors are also not inviting them in the meeting and not considering their opinion. It means these are the symptoms where you need to know what is wrong with me.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think you are hitting on the nail's head. Thank you so much for that. And the next question that I want to ask you is that what should be the one action that you would suggest as an expert that everyone to start taking today? Without thinking twice, they must start. Otherwise, that is the starting point for them.
Because I always say, if you want to skyrocket in your life, you want to be success in your life, you want to be always on a high this thing pitch, then you need to know yourself. Because you need to spend some time on you. What is going inside? You must have some place where you can sit for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Swami Vivekananda told, you meet your friend for 10 minutes every day. And friend, who is friend? Yourself. You have to meet yourself. You have to know yourself. What is wrong? Why it is happening with me now? So awareness, self-awareness is the key for that. And that is the single action I recommend of for going deep down. When you understand what is problem I am facing, then second thing comes, because if you can take care of yourself or not. That is also the answer you'll get from the internally, and then you'll decide if I am unable to cope with the situation here, then I need to find a right mentor, coach, or guide. That is the right thing. I suggest one thing, only one action they need to take.
Knowing themselves, start understanding what are you, where to do. No, introspect. Look back on the path that you have traversed and where you are and what is happening within you.
You can say introspection totally. Investigate yourself. Okay, what is your asset? What is your weaknesses? What is your strong point? Where you are? Where you want to go? What is the traps in between? What are the gaps in between? How you can cover that? All these things you need to know yourself.
Okay.
So this is the point where you take a pause. Okay, pause and take the reflection out of it.
Perfect, perfect, really great. I think these are definitely very good tips for people. Kailash ji,
And one more thing I would like to tell you that on this 5th of January, one session, particularly leading through mid-career crisis, that will give some insights and some solution for the people who are going through that and the people, professionals who want to avoid it in their life.
very good.
That is very helpful.
Yes, Kailash ji, I understand that you have been undertaking a lot of coaching sessions for the professionals. So, if you can just throw a light on how exactly you do this coaching, how people, get benefited from this. What is the kind of format that you follow? for your coaching?
See, I have a two type of coaching. Okay, one is the one-to-one coaching, and one is the group coaching. Initially, we need to understand. We have some questionnaires. We get all these answers, and after analyzing, so either we go for some test where you can find your strength, because everyone has some kind of some strength and some weakness. So how that strength can be used? Okay, first say 5 to 10 strength, and what are the strength, weak portion of your life that is also important for you. So how you can cover up that weak portion of your life so you can move. So whatever the problems or hindrances you are facing, and what are the root cause for that? Because without root cause, you cannot solve any problem. It can be a temporary relief, but you have to understand from where it comes. So you have to address only the root cause. In my coaching, understand what are the root cause for the problem, and what he is required to move forward in his life, how he can skyrocket in his professional journey. That is my coaching
Absolutely,
style.
absolutely. I think that's the motto of our all these conversations. People's career must skyrocket. It must soar to a newer height, and that is our objective as well. And we are very happy to collaborate with you and host some of your programs on our platform. Thank you so much for being with us, Kailash ji. Looking forward for the future sessions and engaging with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.